I picked up some weird habits growing a multi-million-dollar business. Here's one of them. I ask myself if it will matter in a day, a week, a month, a year. There's so many things on my plate at any given time that it becomes really difficult to focus my priorities on the right things at the right time. So I developed this somewhat ruthless concept of when new responsibilities, new things come across my desk or people bring them into my office, I pause and ask myself, will this matter in a day, a week, a month, a year? And I prioritize what's going to have my attention on the long-term effects of that result. So if it's a small argument between two employees, I let them figure it out. If our website is down temporarily, I'm not going to put that much thought into it. I'm going to let our engineers know about it. But on those big things that are going to affect me, our organization, and my people, a week from now, a month from now, and most importantly, a year from now, those are the issues I focus my attention on. And you may not be the CEO of a company, but think about all of the thousands of things that come your way each day. How many of them are you just giving way too much attention to because a day from now, it's not gonna matter. It will blow over. Be a little bit more ruthless with your attention. My name's Matt Easton. Consider giving me a follow for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.